Hello, I am Dr. Shibu Varki. I am working in Vasan Eye Care, which is in Trichy, which is in Tamil Nadu, in India. I am an eye surgeon with about 25 years of experience, and basically I am a phaco-refractive surgeon. I am happy to say that I have crossed a milestone of 100,000 cataract surgeries in the 25 years of my experience. I also actively practice ophthalmoplastic and squint, cornea, refractive surgery, glaucoma, along with my cataract surgery practice. I started my journey with multifocals about 21 years ago in the year 2000, and I can tell you that the first multifocal I implanted was on a rigid platform, a 5.25 rigid optic, which is now no more available in the market. That was the first multifocal that I implanted. Down the years I have used all kinds of multifocals, various optic designs, various concepts. As a multifocal surgeon, the biggest challenge is that there is no one size fits all. There are so many things that you have to think about: age of the patient, the gender of the patient, occupation of the patient, patient's visual requirement. And after taking all these into account, you have to mix so many things and make so many compromises. And finally, you cannot really promise the patient the best outcome, because the dysphotopic phenomenon, that is glare and halos, hangs like a Damocles sword over the head of the multifocal surgeon. So down the years, I think it was about 4 or 5 years ago that I first chanced upon the trifocal lens, the Optiflex Trio of Biotech. I first thought that it is just initially like one of the other many multifocals which are there in the market. So it was with a lot of hesitation that I decided to try using it once. The few things that really stood out: one is, at the time of surgery, the bioadhesiveness of the material was so good that it just stuck onto the posterior capsule. And that itself told me this lens is going to be well centered, and it is going to stay centered in the bag for years to come. It's not going to move. And so the centration that I achieved per-operatively was assured to be maintained for the life of the patient. Again, when you see any lens with a yellow chromophobe, you always think that few years down the line in the slit lamp you're going to see vacuoles. But believe me, it's about 4 years since my first implant, and I'm yet to find one single vacuole when I look through slit lamp at these lenses. So these are beautiful lenses without the fear of vacuolization. But again, the most important thing in multifocality is providing a seamless range of vision from near, intermediate and distance with a good depth of focus. So this trifocal lens, the Optiflex Trio, I found in my experience many of my patients coming back without any complaints which I usually used to get with my earlier lenses. Some of them would not be happy with the near vision. Some of them would not be able to use their computers. But in this lenses, I found that I did not have to do micro monovision compromise at all. Even though I select emmetropic power for both the eyes, I find ultimately patients totally satisfied with their distance vision as well as their intermediate and near. Few of the cases which really stand out in my mind and which bring are some of the patients, especially a gynecologist who was very busy practice, and she is so busy that she wanted to have bilateral implantation done simultaneously to save time, which I did for her. And she's actively operating, and she has to attend night calls. She has to drive to many times to take her night calls. She's been absolutely comfortable operating upon her patients, and she has not complained to me even once about difficulty to drive at night. So this is in fact giving me confidence to even offer these lenses, to start offering these lenses to professional drivers. So if you ask me what are the key things that attract you to the Optiflex Trio, one, the material of the lens, the yellow chromophobe without vacuolization, and then the seamless transition from near, intermediate and distance with a good depth of focus, good functionality even in dim illumination, and then of course the significant reduction in dysphotopsia, especially glare and halos at night. So definitely this is a lens that every surgeon should try, because I am sure, like some of the famous ads go, you cannot have just one, as they say. So once you become a user of Optiflex Trio, I'm sure you're going to stick with it, as I am myself.